Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem. The problem is that your Google Chrome app keeps crashing on your iPhone or maybe your iPad. So how can you fix this? Simply just follow these steps. First, I'm going to the Chrome section. It's not working properly. It's crashing and not searching anything. So how can you fix that? Just follow all the steps I'm going to show you in this video to resolve your issue. Simply go to the settings of your iPhone and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also ensure that VPN is not connected. If it is, just disconnect it. After that, go to the General section. Then tap on Software Update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Next, go to iPhone Storage, scroll down, and find Google Chrome. Tap on it, then tap on Offload App. Once it's done, you'll get the option to reinstall app. Just reinstall it from there. After that, go back again and scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, then tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Once you've done all these steps, your problem should be solved. But if it's still not working, simply uninstall Google Chrome completely and reinstall it again from the App Store. So that's the video! Make sure to follow all the steps I mentioned to fix your issue. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tech videos.